Subs. What a big girl you are. Oh, big girl. Want some apple Subs? Mmm. Oh, that's tasty. That's good. Yeah. It's tasty, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Say hi. Say hi. There you go, Ray. Oh. Good girl. It's kind of tasty. Just a little. There you go. Ready? Mm-mm. Oh my. Oh, it's kind of gross. It's kind of gross. Good girl. Good girl. Good eater. Ready? Oh, that was a gritty bite, huh? That's a lot of enzymes. Ready? Oh, that's so funny. That's so funny. That's so funny. You want some more? There you go. Go. Say hi, Grandma. Okay, say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma Jenny. Hi, Grandma Jenny. I'm having breakfast. I want to show you how good I eat my breakfast. I'll see you later. See you later, Grandma. Happy Mother's Day.